Hi guys, this is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to be making the Periwinkle Hexagon from the 2024 VVCAL. As always, I'm going to start with a slip knot on my hook and then chain 3 and a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to make a ring. And then in my ring, I'm going to do single crochet chain 2 6 times. So I'm going to go straight in with the single crochet and then chain 2, and then just repeat that 5 more times and join with a slip stitch in my first single. Okay, so here's that first round complete, and I've joined with the slip stitch in the first single. So now I'm going to go into the same single crochet that I just joined into with another single crochet. Go straight in with the single, no chaining up. And now I'm going to do a chain 1, and then in my first chain 2 space I'm going to put 2 double crochet, okay, and now I'll chain 1 and then single crochet in my next single. So we're going to do that all the way around, just chain 1, 2 DC in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next single. Okay, so here's how that's gonna look, and we're gonna make like these little petals all the way around. Okay, so here is that round complete, and now we're ready for the next round. We're just gonna make a super simple chain space round. We're gonna go straight into the same single crochet that we joined into from our final round, last round, and make a single crochet and then chain 7. Okay, so now we're gonna go across all the way over to the next single crochet and make a single crochet in it. All right, and then chain 7. Okay, find the next single and make a single crochet. All right, so you're just gonna do a single crochet, chain 7 all the way around. All right, so my round's complete, and I've joined with the slip stitch in the first single crochet. And now into that same single crochet that I just joined in, I'm gonna make a beginning 3 treble popcorn actually. So I'm gonna make a beginning treble, just make a single crochet and chain 2, and that's the first treble. Now I'm going to make 2 more treble crochet, and now I have the beginning one and 2 more, and I'm just going to insert my hook front to back through that top chain of the beginning treble, grab my loop and pull it through to close my 3 treble popcorn, and chain 3, and then we're going to make our regular 3 treble popcorn in the same stitch. So I'm just going to go straight into there with 3 trebles and then close it just like a popcorn. All right. Okay, so now release the loop, insert the hook front to back through the first treble, grab the loop and pull it through to the front to close that popcorn. All right, now chain 3 again, and then single crochet in this chain 7 space, chain 3, and we're going to just do 3 treble popcorn, chain 3, 3 treble popcorn, chain 3 in the next single crochet. Okay, close my popcorn, chain 3, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and we're just going to keep working around in this manner. Okay, close this second popcorn, and then chain 3, and now I'm ready to single crochet in my next chain 7 space, and then I'm going to show you. So this is how it's going to look. All right, and we're going to just repeat that around till we get back to the beginning. Okay, so here's how it looks with that round finished, and I joined with a slip stitch in the chain that comes right after this first popcorn, because that's just how I like to join in popcorns, the chain right after. And now for the next round, we're just going to make a chain space round. So I'm going to do single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the same chain space in that first chain space there, and then chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, and then chain 3, and we're going to do the same corner, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in the same chain space for the next one. And here's how it looks there. All right, and we're just going to make this all the way around till we get back to the beginning. So that chain space round is complete. I've joined with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, and it's looking like a lot like a hexagon now. Now we're going to work 2 more rounds, and in this first chain space we're going to do beginning double crochet. So we're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to chain 1 for the corner chain space, and then double crochet in the same chain space, and that's going to be our first corner. And then we're going to make 3 double crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. All right, so just going to be 9 total going across. 3, and then the next one. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then now I'm at my next corner. I'm going to do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, so here's super simple round. We're gonna go all the way around. All right, so our second to last round is complete now. I joined with a slip stitch in the beginning double crochet, and I'm ready to just make my final round of singles. So in the first chain 1 space, I'm gonna make 3 single crochet, and then I'm just gonna make 11 single crochet all the way across, and then in my next corner chain space, 3 single crochet. So the total will be 84 single crochet if you want to count them all up, and just make sure you have the right amount. And that's going to be 14 per side. All right, so that's how that's going to look. And I'll show you the completed one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this motif, and I will see you for the next one.